Hello, good morning children. How are you? Again you are welcome. Yesterday we have completed our chapter Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. Okay. उसमें देखो क्या था. It was the struggle of black people against the white supremacy. और मैंने जो क्वेश्चंस तुम लोगों को दिए हैं उनको थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं और 100% एग्जाम में आने की पॉसिबिलिटी है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ और नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर 3, 2 स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग. ये जो है इस साल इसमें से क्वेश्चन नहीं आया, तो 100% आई थिंक देयर मस्ट बी ए क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दैट चैप्टर. गॉट इट? Understand? There must be a question from that chapter. Is that clear? So now what I am going to tell you, 2 stories about flying. First है his first flight. It is a story of a young seagull. जो इसका राइटर है लियोम ओ फ्लैर्थी. Got it? Story of a young seagull. एक समुद्री जो बर्ड है उसकी स्टोरी है. He never ever wanted to fly. और वो क्या है, कभी उड़ना नहीं चाहता. एक्चुअली उसको डर लगता है. He had no confidence. He was not confident that I can fly. And also birds होते हैं, they can fly. Everybody know about that. But his mother and father also and brother and sister also there. Young seagull के भाई बहन और mother father सब they wanted that he should fly. But the young seagull never ever wanted to fly. और he used to sit at one place. एक क्राफ्ट जो होता है ना, legs a narrow horizontal self projecting from a wall. एक ऐसा कुछ निकला हुआ वॉल से. यहाँ पे क्लिफ है, चट्टान के ऊपर उनका घोंसला वगैरह बना रखा है. They want that he would fly and they also try to motivate him. But the bird, he never ever wanted to fly. और वो एकदम होपलेस हो जाता है, उसको डर लगता है. और ये तो समुद्री बर्ड होते हैं. तो what did his mother teach him? How did his mother motivate him? That is very important for us. कि कैसे उसकी मदर उसको मोटिवेट करेगी. How did she motivate him? How did she teach him to fly? किस तरीके से उसने उसको मोटिवेट किया. उसने उसको बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से मोटिवेट किया. She did not give him anything to eat. Whenever he wanted to eat something, she did not give. At last, how did she ticked? How did she make him to fly? It is very important in this chapter. Is that clear? Okay, now a young seagull is afraid to fly. How does he conquer his fear? अपने डर को कैसे जीतता है वो. ठीक है. The young seagull was alone in his ledge, a narrow horizontal self projecting from a wall near cliff. अपनी ledge में वो अकेला. He was alone in his ledge. His 2 brothers and his sisters had already flown away the day before. Before 1 day ago, his 2 brothers and sister already flown. They were in the flight. He had been afraid to fly with them, and they also, we can say, asked him to fly, but he was not ready to go with them because he had a fear. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. Even he tried to fly, and what he had gathered some courage to try and attempted to flap his wings. अपने wings को फड़फड़ाना शुरू किया. He became afraid, but suddenly he became afraid. He did not dare. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath. नीचे क्या था? Sea, समुद्र बहुत दूर तक फैला हुआ था. That is why बहुत फैला हुआ था नीचे तक. And it was such a long way down, miles down. And you know why the seagull was not flying? Because everywhere there was a great sea. And he was thinking that if I would not be able to fly, I would die. है ना, मैं डूब जाऊंगा इसके अंदर. I would drown off. Miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge. And what he was thinking? He was thinking his wings would not allow him to be to fly. ये उसकी एक दिमाग में उसके बैठ गया. That was the uncertain fear that was in his mind, or that was not giving him, that was not permitting him to fly. And why he was that's the same he was thinking. He was कह रहा कि मेरे पंख मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे. So he bent his head, सर झुका लिया, and run away back to the little hole under the ledge. And he had gone into his little hole that was under the ledge, where he slept at night. वहाँ पे वो पूरी रात सोया. Even when each of his brothers and his sisters, little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, यहाँ तक कि the brother and his sister, their wings were not big. They were not bigger than his wings. They were shorter. Ran to the brink, flapped their wings. वो दौड़ते थे, जंप करते थे, wings को flap करते थे, and flew away. उड़ जाते थे. Got it? Flew away. Understand? So, and flew away. He failed to muster up. Muster means होता है collect. He failed to muster up the strength to the plunge which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly. And what the mother and father doing? They were also motivating him. They were calling him shrilly. चिल्ला चिल्ला कर बोल रहे हैं उसको. Upbraiding him. Upbraiding मतलब था scalding, धमकाना. Upbraiding. Got it? Scolding. Threatening him. धमकी दे रहे हैं उसको. To let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. And what they were saying, if you would not flew away, if you would not fly, we will not give you to food to eat, and he will be starved. वो भूखा मर जाएगा. अगर तुम नहीं उड़े, तुमने कोशिश नहीं की, हम तुमको खाना नहीं देंगे. But for the life of him, he could not move. But वो तो he wanted to save his life. वो सोचता था कि मेरी जिंदगी बच जाएगी यदि मैं नहीं उड़ूंगा तो वो मूव ही नहीं कर रहा. And who tried to motivate him? His father, mother, and who was having shorter wings than him? His brother and sister. Where was the, we can say, eagle was living in a hole in the craft होती है. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. यानी प्लान जो था वो चालू हो गया, शुरू हो गया. वो क्या हो गया? 24 hours ago, 24 घंटे पहले. Since then, nobody came near him. Nobody came near him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and his sister. The complete day, what he was watching? He was watching his parents were flying with his brothers and his sister, perfecting them in the art of flight. Who was giving them the training? The parents were giving them the training, and they wanted to make him what? They wanted to make him perfect in the art of flying, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. उनको टीच कर रहे थे कि वेव्स पे कैसे स्किम करना है. स्किम का मतलब होता है मूव लाइटली जस्ट अबव सरफेस, सरफेस से जस्ट ऊपर मूव करना. एंड हाउ टू डाइव फॉर द फिश, और फिश के लिए कब डाइव करना है, कब डाइव मारना है पानी के अंदर, क्योंकि वो उड़ते थे और फिश का शिकार भी करते थे, क्योंकि फिश जो थे उनका भोजन था. इसीलिए he had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it. What did he see? He had seen his brother, कि उसका जो पहला अपना खाने का शिकार जो था, he had seen him catching the first herring, ना सी फिश जो थी वो उसको पकड़ते हुए उसने देख लिया. Standing on a rock while his parents circled around raising a proud cackle. And when the brother had taken his fish, जब ब्रदर ने अपना पहला शिकार किया, अपनी फिश ली, the parents were moving around him, उसको प्रशंसा कर रहे हैं. Cackle means making the sound near him. Got it? And all the morning the whole family had walked about on a big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his god eyes. And what the complete family was doing? They were moving, है ना, बिग प्लेटो, उस प्लेटो पे वो मूव कर रहे थे मिडवे डाउन द अपोजिट क्लिफ, उस क्लिफ के जस्ट अपोजिट जहाँ पे वो था सीगल, ताकि वो देख सके, टॉन्टिंग हिम, और उसके वो ताने मार रहे थे उसको, दे वर टॉन्टिंग, उसको ताने क्या मार रहे थे कि तुम उड़ नहीं सकते, तुम्हारे भाई ने ये कर दिया, ही हैड टेकन हिज फर्स्ट फिश एंड यू आर कवर्ड, कायर हो तुम, यू आर नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई, बिकॉज वो टॉन्ट नहीं कर रहे थे, दे वांटेड टू मोटिवेट हिम, ताकि इसको कुछ लगे, ताकि ये कुछ करे, है ना, दैट इज वाई. The sun was now ascending to the sky, blazing on his legs that faced the south. Sun was coming in the sky. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. थोड़ा उसको गर्मी या फिर उसको भूख सी या गर्मी सी ऐसा फील हुआ, because he did not eaten since the previous night, from previous night. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge. उसके किनारे पे आ गया ledge पे, moving slowly without making a noise, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing. And what he was doing? He was standing on one leg, and what did he do with the other leg? What did he do with the other leg? He hid the leg in his wings. He closed one eye, और उसने एक आंख बंद कर ली, then the other, और दूसरी भी. Who did this? The young seagull have done this. Got it? Actually, what their parents and brother and sister, they were they were taunting him. They wanted to motivate him to fly. And what happens? One day the sun was coming on the sky and it was little bit heat there. So he came out from the edge and he do this type of activity and pretended to be falling asleep. और क्या एक पैर पे खड़ा हो गया, एक पैर को पंखों में छुपा लिया, पंखुड़ियाँ जो होती है ना, and he pretended, I was बहाना जो कर रहा था, pretending to be falling asleep, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो बहाना कर रहा है कि सो रहा है. Still they took no notice of him, but the family member did not notice that. Even they know what he is doing, but they did not show him that we know that. She saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads. What did he see? He see the two brothers and sister, they are lying on the plateau, जो ग्रह होता है उस पे बैठे हुए हैं, dozing means sleeping. Got it? With their heads and sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. और फादर क्या करता था? अपने फीदर्स को मेंटेन कर रहा था, पंखों को. ओके, ओनली हिज मदर वाज लुकिंग एट हिम, ओनली वन पर्सन वाज लुकिंग एट हिम, दैट वाज मदर. और माँ तो देखो माँ होती है, 90% जो बच्चा होता है वो माँ के हिसाब से चलता है. और मदर अगर थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट होती है बच्चे के साथ, यानी उसको लाड प्यार करती है, तो वो बिगाड़ भी देती है. तो यही हो रहा है, देखो वो बिगाड़ेगी नहीं. लेकिन she was standing on a little high hump on the plateau. Who was standing on the plateau? Mother. Her white breast thrust forward now and again, यानी उड़ने के तरीके से आगे ऐसे फैले हुए थे. She tore at a piece of fish. उसने फिश का एक पीस अलग किया. That lay at her feet. उसके जो पैरों में पड़ा था. And then scraped each side of her back on that rock. स्क्रैप का मतलब ऐसे ऐसे अपनी बैक को है, जो चोंच होती है ना, गॉट इट, बीक, सॉरी, हर बीक ऑन द रॉक, अपनी जो बीक है उस चोंच को पहनाया. द साइट ऑफ द फूड मैडेंड हिम, फॉर हुम द वर्ड हिम इज यूज्ड व्हेन द मदर वाज टोरिंग द पीस ऑफ द फिश and she was, we can say, making sharp her the beak. Then the sight of the food maddened him, to whom it make mad the boy, the seagull who was in the rock. वो सीगल जो उड़ नहीं सकता, थोड़ा पागल हो गया, क्योंकि 24 hours he did not eat. Since 24 hours, since last 24 hours, he did not eat. How he loved to tear food that way. Almost he was making an imagination कि कैसे वो इसको क्या बोलते हैं उसको फूड को टीयर करता. Scraping his beak now and again to wet it. अपनी बीक को चट्टान से मतलब एकदम तेज करना. वेट, WHET, वेट का मतलब होता है टू शार्पन, तेज करना. गा गा गा. He cried begging her to bring him some food. That was the, we can say, voice of young seagull. He was making ga ga ga. He wanted to take something from her, from his mother. He requested her. Begging मतलब होता है यहाँ पे याचना करना. Go go. She screamed back distressfully. Again his mother also say something to him graciously, जैसे कि वो कह रही है कि तुम stupid हो. But he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream. बेचारा वो बोलता रहा. 1 मिनट बाद में वो थोड़ा खुश हुआ. What happens? His mother had picked up a piece of the fish. What did his mother do? She had picked up a piece of. उसकी मदर के अंदर आइडिया आ गया दिमाग में कि क्या करना है मुझे. She had taken the piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it, and she was just near him and flying across with him, having a piece of fish in his beak. He leaned out eagerly. वो थोड़ा सा आगे की तरफ झुका. Tapping the rock with his feet. पैरों से जैसे छोटा बच्चा नहीं करता सीधी इस तरीके से. He was tapping the rock. rock के अपने पैर पटकते हुए. Trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. He was trying to go near to whom? To the mother. जैसे कि वो कुछ, जैसे वो पास में उड़ रही थी ना, उसके पास जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless. When she was just opposite the seagull, just उसके पास गई, वो एकदम से एक जगह पे खड़ी हो गई, motionless. ऐसी कलाकृति कर सकते हैं जैसे बाज कर सकता है, हवा में एकदम से एक जगह पे रुकना, यानी जस्ट उसके अपोजिट. और having a piece in her mouth. She halted, her wings motionless. The piece of fish in her beak almost with the reach of his beak. उसके जो मुंह में जो पीस था फिश का, वो उसके जस्ट अब उसके बच्चे के इतने नजदीक था ताकि वो ले सके उसको, उसकी अप्रोच में था वो. He waited a moment in a surprise. Who waited a moment in a surprise? Young seagull, wondering why she did not come nearer. And what she was thinking? He was wondering. Okay, he was wondering why the mother is not coming close to him. And then, maddened by hunger, भूख से एकदम से पागल सा होते हुए, he dived at the fish. What did he do? That was the motivation of the mother. She came near him and she made an idea that he should think that the piece is in control and he can take the piece. That is why what happens? He made a dive at the fish with a loud scream and चिल्लाया भी रहा वो. He fell outward and downward into space, and what? He was moving up and down in the space. Then a monotonous terror seized him. तभी वो डर गया. He becomes frightened, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing. He was unable to, we can say, hear. But it only lasted a minute. लेकिन ये सब कब तक रहा? Only for 1 minute. That was lasted for 1 minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. Again, in the next moment, what he was feeling? The wings were moving. Okay. The wind rushed against his breast feathers. हवा उसके छाती से और पंखों से टकरा रही थी. Then under his stomach and against his wings. कभी कभी उसके स्टोमक से लग रही थी, कभी कभी उसके विंग्स से. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. अभी वो नीचे गिरना या ऊपर जाना, he was not feeling this type of activity. He was moving up and down and was getting a little bit confidence in his we can say in himself. जो ये एक सब प्रकार की आर्ट होती है, जब हवा में जाएगा तो विंग्स अपना काम अपने हिसाब से शुरू कर देते हैं. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. Now he was not afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy, uncomfortable feeling of spinning. जब चक्कर आते हैं ना, उस तरह से uncomfortable feeling हुई उसको. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Again he flapped his wings and soared upwards, ga ga ga, making a sound, ga ga ga. And at last the seagull got success. His mother swooped past him, who was flying with him, mother, screaming, and she was also crying. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting मतलब leaping like a horse. He also seen the two brothers and sister was also flying with him, making a, we can say, horse, like a horse, and banking and shoring and diving. And what they were doing, they were banking, shoring and diving with him. So got it? Yani that is what we have discussed till today. That was the courage, but the courage was lost because the young seagull was not confident on he had no confidence on himself. And that is why क्या होता है, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि nobody was motivating him, but at last what did his mother, that was very we can say fortunate for him, कि उसकी जो मदर ने उसको लालच दिया. She has given we can say a piece of we can say fish, but already she was not giving him, she was showing that she is giving. और फिर धीरे धीरे उसको जो सीगल को क्या किया, उड़ाना सिखा दिया. At first he was frightened, but spending little bit time, passing some time, by the passing of time he got confident and at last he got success in we can say flying. So dear children, I think it is enough for today. Tomorrow इस चैप्टर को हम फिनिश कर देंगे. Got it? Okay, bye. If you are having queries, doubt, you can ask me. And जो questions तुम लोगों को मैंने दिए हैं नेल्सन मंडेला के, you should do these questions and answers in your notebook. They are very important. वो बुक important नहीं है इतनी जितनी ये है. Is that clear everybody?